think today is a spectacular night. I'm quite lucky to be here and mingle around, enjoy the good food.
Being associated with GROHE as a preferred partner designer, I think that definitely brings out the value. And of course, in terms of our investment to the consumer space, the showroom is 14,000 square feet here in Joo Chiat. I think it gives consumers the best experience of a shower, right? Of what kind of a bathroom that they are about to experience. Together with reputable international brands, I think we can enhance each other's integrity and also the designers that partner with us.
Dulux have our Preferred Designer Programme. This is going to be a breakthrough and excitement created among the designers. Dulux always take pride that we bring colours to people's life. So in a home renovation, colour play a very important role. It's a win-win situation that we should continue to work with more vendors like GROHE and definitely bring us to a different standard together.
I think the film just now was quite impactful. All this storytelling reminds us as a designer, we are not only just design, but we are caring for people.
Having such event is valuable.
It's quite fruitful. Get to see a lot of different products here and also meet a lot of different people.